Hi, I'm Jess and this is my early learning story. If you can see inside my head right now, it's a major construction site. My brain had already started learning way before I was born. It's now becoming a chock-a-block full of all kinds of learning. So I had the best chance to grow up to be anything I want to be. Wow, go me! Thanks so much. You helped me grow a strong learning brain. Wait till you see what it does at kindy and school. I'm ready for anything. I'm set up for life. Big me will thank you big time for shaping my big learning brain for my big learning life. Make the early years count.